Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 3, maths-cs-ai-compendium, 725 new stars today. Most AI and math textbooks bury critical concepts under dense notation or go out of date quickly, while this open compendium builds an intuitive, ground-up understanding of everything from linear algebra to modern LLMs, computer vision, and autonomous systems. It ships with an MCP server that turns your local clone into a queryable knowledge base for AI assistants like Claude Code or Cursor, so you can pull in relevant theory without leaving your IDE. If you are preparing for roles at top AI labs or want to deeply grasp the internals behind production models, this free, continuously updated resource replaces the need for a stack of paid courses and textbooks. Number 2, DeepTutor. 172 new stars today. DeepTutor is an open-source framework for building AI tutors that adapt to each learner's knowledge state over time, addressing the lack of scalable, personalized education. Unlike static quiz generators, it models a student's evolving understanding and misconceptions to deliver targeted instruction, making it a research-backed alternative to proprietary AI tutoring services. Developers can explore its modular Python backend and Next.js frontend to integrate lifelong learning models into their own educational applications. Number 1, openinterpreter, 299 new stars today. openinterpreter gives you a local coding agent that works with cheap, open-weight models instead of locking you into expensive frontier APIs. It emulates the agent harnesses used by tools like Claude Code and Code, so you can get comparable performance from models that cost a fraction of the price. The Rust native terminal app runs sandboxed commands, drives real browsers for QA testing, and speaks the agent client protocol so it plugs directly into your editor.